Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. Today we are obviously doing a wig review because this is not how I normally look. I have been dying for a real hair wig for the longest and I finally got my hands on one. Hair So Fly was kind enough to send me this little lady. So we're just gonna jump right into it so we don't waste any time because wig reviews are just pretty freaking simple. This wig is the Outre 100% human hair lace part wig, straight blunt cut bob, 12 inches. This is actually a little bit of an asymmetrical cut. Normally I don't like asymmetrical cuts, except this one to me I feel is not that drastic. It doesn't really look like a weird shape or whatever, and I feel like it's very flattering. This is as dark as it gets. Like, this is midnight black, so it's very contrary to my blonde hair. I literally just plopped this wig on my head. Like, the part was not plucked. I have not done anything to it whatsoever. I did use this little like root spray on my roots because my roots are blonde, but besides that I brushed it. I have not flat ironed this hair. I have not styled it. That's what I'm gonna do with you guys on here. This wig actually has like no lace. It's literally just like a cap. You pretty much have to have your own baby hairs. In terms of comfortability, wow, I have like a medium-sized head, so I don't think I could wear this, like go to sleep and wake up in it and all that kind of stuff, but I could probably wear it for a few hours, like maybe like 4 or 5, and then it would start to get uncomfortable because it does fit a little bit snug back here. There's 2 clips in the front here, which I for once have actually been able to use because most wigs dig into my scalp with those little clips and it's so freaking annoying. I never use them, but for this one I have, and it actually makes the wig like pretty freaking secure, as you can tell. This wig is $73.99, which is a really freaking good deal for 100% human hair. We're gonna play around with it a little bit. I'm gonna fill in the part lines, style it. So I'm just gonna use this NYX matte bronzer. So this kind of created a little bit of like a deep part line that I didn't really want too much because it kind of got on the hair, so I'm just gonna rub that in. And then I'm gonna take my lighter NYX mineral matte finishing powder and put that in just so it lightens up the color because it's actually a little darker than my actual skin tones. This is an up close shot of the parting. I don't really like to gel down my baby hairs or do my baby hairs too drastic because someone that's like natural hair and they go and get it straightened or whatever, your baby hairs obviously are gonna frizz up and fly up and not look too perfect, so that's why I don't like to do mine. I'm gonna show you guys with it straightened, like me straightening the hair. You can see just how sleek it gets. I kind of want to bump it a little bit at the ends. Ooh! Ah, this is so cute. I think it looks incredible. That's gonna be it for today's Wig Wednesday. I am super in love with this unit. I think it is definitely worth the price. Once again, it is the Outre 100% human short blunt bob cut wig. I'm very picky about wearing wigs out in public and what I'm okay with like going out with, and to me this looks very realistic, especially if you're just like able to put your own, wow, I really gotta fix that eyebrow. Especially if you're able to use like your own baby hairs. I will leave the link for the hair down in the description box down below so you guys go check it out. Once again, thank you so much to Hair So Fly Shop for sending me this unit. But what should we name her? You guys go drop down below what we should name this wig. I will see you guys next week, well, next Sunday. Not next week, next Sunday. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe. I love you all so much. Bye.
Making money like a man.